Okay, editor word wrap column. This setting controls the wrapping column of the editor when editor word wrap is either word wrap column or bounded. So if you have any of those two options in this setting, these are how many characters you want the wrapping to occur on, I guess. So if you have this set to word wrap column, for example, and you enable word wrap, it's wrapping at the 80 character mark. If you increase this value to 100, for example, it's going to wrap at the 100 character mark, and so on and so forth. But because I like leaving the editor word wrap setting to on, this setting kind of becomes useless, and just gonna leave it with its default value of 80.